Welcome you all. Earn money by watching this video. Earn $60 and more than that. You should need 3 steps to earn money. Before going to see the steps, you need to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Step 1. You need a smartphone or laptop or desktop. Step 2. You need internet connection. Step 3. You have an account, PayPal account or anything account for withdraw your cash. See the website name. This is our website. Follow first. You can earn by watching videos. Earn money by watching videos like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, anything, Instagram. If you want to log in, just click this join button right here, and then click this join button right here, and the register username, mail ID, password, and again password. It's a global. It's a .com. Followfirst.com. It's a global. Anywhere in the world you can earn money by watching videos. Referral add captcha and click the join. After you join, you can log in and enter the captcha 7400, and then you will come to this page. After you log in, you get 50 points. If you reach cash, go to cash out, check the balance. See 50 points, 0.00%. Payment method: perfect money or Bitcoin or PayPal or anything you like. If you have any account, you can pay out this. Next, if you like to watch Facebook videos or YouTube videos or Instagram videos or Twitter videos, anything, I click YouTube videos. Click the play button. You don't want to watch the videos, just click the play button and pause the video and come to this website. The time will be counting automatically. The time is come to 0. You can refresh the screen for the next video. If you watch 35 seconds video, you can get 29 points. The point will be added on this. And also you can add your own YouTube videos by clicking the add to YouTube videos and enter your video title and enter your video link. Select how many points to get. The video is minimum 30 seconds and add video. You can add your own YouTube videos and get views. Thank you. If you want more videos to earn money online, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.